rifle. This is what the M16 assault rifle can do to a piece of body armor. Their small but high-velocity rounds can do serious damage.
The round went all the way through. That's definitely not something you're going to be happy about when you're wearing this piece of body armor. That's the advantage of shooting a high-speed round like the 5.56.
These rounds are effective at ranges up to 500 yards. But for close-quarter combat situations like room clearance, you want a smaller weapon that's easy to handle in confined areas.
Now what we've got here is an MP5. In tight quarters, and you want to deliver good firepower, the MP5 is the weapon that most people count on.
The limitation with these weapons is that they only fire the 9mm pistol round. They just don't have the speed to defeat standard body armor.
There's definitely no penetration. And I'll tell you, that's a scary scenario. You shot a guy in the chest, you think you dropped him. He's awake, he's ready to fire back. It's the worst case scenario. So, what's needed is the close quarter combat capability of an MP5 with the power and the bang and the punch of a high caliber bullet.
Meet the weapon that claims to do just that. The MP7A1. It's the latest in personal defense weapons, or PDWs, developed by Heckler & Koch. I've come to their shooting range in Loudoun, Virginia to find out more for myself. It's designed to have the firepower of an assault rifle, but is as compact as a submachine gun. Bruce Davison consulted on the design of the MP7.
MP7 was designed to be able to do things that pistols can't do. Problem is, when you get into certain situations and you have to rely on your secondary weapon, or you want to have something more concealable, you've got something here that can do a lot more than a pistol can.
The MP7 is a gas-operated multi-role weapon. It's light and compact, weighing just over 4 pounds, loaded with 20 rounds. It has a retractable buttstock, so you can change the length from assault rifle to submachine gun. It can be shoulder-fired like a rifle or held out in front like a pistol. It's designed to fire the 4.6mm round. This is special high-velocity ammunition which carries the penetrating power of a rifle round.
It's actually more of a small rifle caliber cartridge than it is a pistol cartridge.
Okay, what advantage do you get with that?
Well, you get extended range, you get extended penetration capability.
The claim that it can penetrate like an assault rifle is what sets the MP7 apart from other small arms. If it's true, this is a major breakthrough in modern combat. I have to find out for myself. So, time to test the brand new MP7. The 4.6mm round used by the MP7 is unique to this gun. And it's designed to minimize recoil while increasing penetration through body armor. It's a small round with a big punch.
Wow, look at that. Look at that, it's a pretty good group right there. Wow, so we definitely know we've got penetration here. Oh, that tells you pretty much everything right off the bat. Look at that. When you start to look at the penetration power, look at that. And then out the other side. I'll tell you, if your head was in there, game over.
The MP7 is easy to handle, easy to conceal, and as we've seen, it packs serious firepower. That makes it great for dignitary and executive protection teams in vehicles.
look at this. I've got free room here. If I needed to actually deliver rounds downrange, I could do that. I could store it down here safely, no problem. And if I'm taking a contact and I open up my door, I can immediately start delivering rounds downrange. I can start putting heads down, and that's going to make all the difference in a firefight. So, when you're looking at the MP7, it's small, it's compact, it's made for close quarter battle.
And its sound suppressor is tailor-made so it doesn't interfere with accuracy or rate of fire. And being compact doesn't mean its firepower is compromised. Its rate of fire is 950 rounds per minute. That's more than a match for any submachine gun. So, you can be covert and still be lethal.
I'll tell you what, to see that kind of penetrating power in a suppressed weapon, it's truly scary.
Make no mistake, the mighty MP7 leaves no room for escape.
Small caliber, small weapon, big impact.